Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a fruit salad. Now this healthy salad has a variety of fruit to choose from, but the best part of it is that it's quick and easy to make. So let's get started.
For the ingredients, you're going to need 1 pound of strawberries, hulled and sliced. You're going to need 3 kiwi fruits, which you're going to peel and slice. Then 2 mangoes, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of seedless green or jam grapes, which you're going to half, 1 fresh pineapple, peeled and diced. And then you're going to need 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lime juice, and then 1 tablespoon of fresh pineapple juice, and finally 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Alright, so you're going to start off by hulling all the strawberries. I normally use a straw strong enough to pierce the flesh of the fruit and take out the center of each strawberry. Once all the strawberries are hulled, you're going to slice each of them in half. For larger strawberries, you may want to slice them into smaller pieces as well. And make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and pushing my channel out to reach more people. Next up is the grapes. This is really easy. All you have to do is remove the grapes from the vine and then slice each of them in half, and you can add them to a bowl. Just remember to use seedless grapes. This fruit salad doesn't have any crunchy parts to it. And my normal go-to for the grapes are the green variety. With the blueberries, if you bought them as a package, you just want to make sure that you pick over the blueberries that you choose to use in your fruit salad. Just don't use any broken or older blueberries. You just want to make sure you have the large, fresh ones. And all you have to do is toss a cup of those into the large bowl of your fruit salad. Now for the mangoes. You want to make sure you find 2 ripe mangoes. Otherwise, the flavor can be quite sour and mess up the flavor you're expecting from the salad. So with finding the ripeness of mangoes, I normally use the feel of the mango rather than the color of it. So if you squeeze gently on the mango, if its skin gives slightly, then you would normally have a soft flesh inside. Ripe mangoes also have a slightly fruity aroma around the stem, so that's something you can check for as well. So what you're going to want to do is peel both mangoes and then start slicing along the outer edges of the mango, because each mango has a large pit in the center that you want to avoid. Once you get most of the fruit away from the pit of the mango, you can go ahead and start dicing that up, and you can add that to your salad bowl as well. And then just make sure you go ahead and discard the peel and the pit of both mangoes. And there are many ways to cut a mango, and if you have a really clever one, make sure to tell me how to do it in the comments below. For choosing ripe kiwis, a similar process is used for the mangoes. All you want to do is make sure that when you squeeze the fruit gives slightly, so that would reveal a soft flesh inside. So for preparing the kiwis, I normally will cut them into 4 pieces and then peel off the skin off of each piece. And then what you can do is start dicing the kiwis into smaller pieces and add those to the salad bowl. Now onto the pineapple. So to find a ripe pineapple, what I normally do is smell the base of the pineapple, and if it has a sweet smell, then you know it's probably going to be ripe. Another good way to tell is if it feels heavier than it looks. So there's plenty of ways to get the meat out of a pineapple, but I'm going to show you a really easy way with this awesome tool that I recommend anyone that eats pineapple a lot to get. So all you'd have to do is cut off the base of the pineapple just to a point where you have a flat surface, and then cut off the top of the pineapple to expose the fruit inside. And what I use is a pineapple corer, and the one I have is really cheap. It's probably like $5. And with this, you can take out all the meat of the pineapple and avoid the core, and then easily pull out all of that from the outer shell of the pineapple. Once all the fruit of the pineapple is removed from its outer shell, you can simply dice it up and add all that to your salad bowl. And with the shell of the pineapple still intact, you still have all that leftover pineapple juice that you're going to use later on to make the syrup. So to make the syrup for the salad, all you're going to need is the juice of 1 lime. So that's going to be about 1 tablespoon of juice. And then you're going to take 1 tablespoon of the fresh pineapple juice that you just cut and add that to the bowl. And then finally add 3 tablespoons of honey to the same small bowl and whisk that all together until it's all well combined. Now pour the syrup and the chia seeds on top of the fruit salad and mix it well until all the fruit is well coated. And if you're not eating it immediately, you can cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a sealed cover and refrigerate it. And then once you're ready to serve it, just toss the fruits in the juice that builds up at the bottom of the bowl. And just like that, you made your very own fruit salad. This is juicy, delicious, and has just the right amount of sweetness. This recipe is an amazing display piece for your table that has flavor that really shines through. And for a variation, try adding your own favorite exotic fruits to the salad for even more flavor. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll make sure to leave a link to that in the description box below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make Maria's Margarita, a really tasty drink that I named after my sister. Thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. Until then, peace.